Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Civic, that generation here from year 2016 to year 2021. If you have one of those, you need to find where the cruise control relay is located, which relay you need to check. It's actually hidden relay, guys. We'll explain where it's located, where you can buy cheap relays and fuses from, that way you don't waste time and money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. On this channel you will be able to find, guys, a video for every fuse on your Honda Civic, guys, if you have that generation from year 2016 to year 2021, where we make these videos to save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, because without that fuse practically the car will not be running if it's blown. You can just search for it and find it instantly and know which fuse to check, because even in the manual, okay, the fuses are under different names that could be really hard to diagnose. Now, another thing, guys, we're constantly working on things, taking engines apart, transmissions, fixing cars, and we have 3 channels that we have more than 1.1 million subscribers altogether on these channels, guys, that we daily put content that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs as well. So let's go ahead, explain now where you can find all the fuses. Another thing now here, guys, okay, you will have different kind of fuses on your Honda Civic, guys. Some of those could be really hard to find. Okay, we're talking about some multi-fuses, multi-block fuses right here. Those could be really expensive, hard to find, impossible to find in small towns or in the middle of nowhere. Relays can be overpriced as well. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get practically all the fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. That way you don't waste your money, guys. So let's go ahead, start on it and explain about the fuses now. So which relay we need to check here specifically, guys? If we come right here, we're going to demonstrate on a 2017 Honda Civic. You will have 2 different fuse boxes, but we will need to just open the fuse box that's located under the hood on the right side. Let me just zoom in so you can clearly see that fuse box. That's right here. You open that cover, and the moment you open the cover, you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one. This is the front of your Honda Civic. This is towards the windshield side. Now, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the relay that we'll need to check, guys, it's a special relay for the cruise control. It's located in that relay circuit board, that huge relay here. That relay has 6 different functions integrated in it. Unfortunately, if one of them doesn't work, you have to replace the whole relay circuit board. It's not complicated. You have one tab here, one there, squish, pull out, replace it. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get one from. Check it out, guys. By the part number you'll be able to find it. But if your cruise control doesn't work, check that relay. Also, we have a video where the cruise control fuse is located on the channel. Check it out. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.